Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll explain how to set up product review in Shopify. To set up product review in Shopify, start by adding the product review app from your Shopify app store. So this free app is built by Shopify and allow customers to leave feedback on product. Once installed, the app automatically integrates with your store themes, but you might need to add a small snippet of code to display reviews on your product page. Shopify provides simple instruction for this under the app settings or installation guide, and many teams already support it out of the box. So after setup, you will customize how review appears, manage incoming submission, and moderate content to maintain qualities. Verified buyers can leave stars rating and rating reviews, which will be shown publicly to build trust and future shopping. So if you prefer no code setup, use a theme that supports the app natively or install other review app like Judge Me or a Looks, which often comes with a drag and drop widget and email automation. And that's it.